My name is Joseph Maher. I'm farming in partnership with my two uncles, Peter and Tommy Comfort. We're situated here in Roscrea, Dunkern, County Athy. When we decided to do a parlour, we decided we needed simplicity, one for ourselves, but also if we want to go away, we needed to have it simple for someone to come in and do the milking. Traditionally, it was a suckler and dairy farm. In 2010, I went and did the Green Cert in Gorteen Agricultural College. Came home to farm here full time, and when the decision was to come home farm full time, we decided we were going to go up in dairy cow numbers and down in the sucklers. We went to Pearson Machine in 2015, and the reason we went to them, we had the same serviceman here for the last 30 years, Hackett Enterprises over in Thurles, and they recommended Pearson, so we didn't hesitate, we went straight for Pearson, a 14 unit herringbone, and continued on with Pearson, and their Hacketts are still here to this day with Pearson. So when we decided to upgrade the machine further as the herd was expanding, we said we needed to go bigger. So we went around and we looked at different machines, different types of machines, herringbones, rotaries, the whole lot. We initially had decided on a 30 unit herringbone, but when we had a bit further thought, we just thought that labour was getting harder to come by. So we said we'd bite the bullet and we went down the rotary route. So we went and looked at a couple of different rotaries. When going around to the different machines, we liked just the one thing that did stand out was the ease of use on the Pearson machine, between speeding it up and slowing it down as the operator requires. Also, it's a one-man operation, which is a big help when labour isn't easy to get. When we decided to make such a big investment, and between going around and looking around, we made the shed big enough, even though the circle can't be made bigger. We made sure to have lots of room around the circle. So we wanted to have the shed big enough to keep the wall clean, no matter what spec we do decide to go. As regards the jetters, the way they face, we don't have to go around pulling off jetters, setting up boxes. As soon as we press the milk button, we're ready to milk. Go out and then once we're finished, we don't have to open any boxes to put on the clusters for the wash. Another thing we were really happy with is the wash gland. That was one thing going around to different places we spotted, and it's a great thing. So technically it's turning our rotary parlour into a side-by-side crush. So when we're coming to breeding season, we'll be able to turn back in our cows and AI the cows while it's washing.